Hi all today. So what is the topic today? Today we are going to talk about storyboard. Now we know what is a story. A story could be of a person, it could be of a product, it could be of a failure, it could be of a success. But what is a storyboard? So storyboard is basically preparation for doing any particular thing that you're doing. Storyboards were generally used earlier for movies or for cartoons or for clips or for advertisements. By preparing storyboards, they could present to the concerned people that what's going to happen on scene 1, then scene 2, then scene 3. Similarly, similar preparation is done for training contents these days, wherein they prepare what's going to be on slide 1, then slide 2, then slide 3, then slide 4, and they can get the approvals from the clients, from the HODs based on that. Preparation is very, very important. Imagine you challenging your kids for boxing. They could be 4 years old and you might be overconfident, but believe me, if you're not taking the right guards, even that could lead to a lot of trouble. So today we are going to talk about what are the kind of preparations you can do before you actually start preparing a training content, so that you can get the right approvals at the right time, you can make the changes at the right time, right? And also we are going to show you a template that you can replicate while preparing a storyboard for the next training content.
Now let's have a look at the storyboard template, wherein first of all we are looking at the storyboard overview. It starts with mentioning the module name, then the storyboard version, like is it version 1, version 2, then what is the goal of this training content, what are the agreed topics that you will be covering in this training content, what will be the development tool, and who will be the voiceover artist in case if there is one. Then also you'll be mentioning about the storyboard review. So what is the review date, which round is going to be the next one, is it the first one, is it the second one, then what is the storyboard approval deadline, and who all will be the reviewers. Once you have mentioned the departments which are going to review your content, then you should also mention the name, their position, and departments of the people who are going to review, and also the dates on which they're going to review, which generally in the real world is always different because different people are available on different dates. I've just mentioned the same date next to all the HODs. After that, we cover or we show what will be there on particular slides. So let's say on slide 1, I say that I'm going to cover this particular topic. This will be the objective of this slide. This type of slide it would be, then which is the slide before this, which is the slide after that. So just the number of those slides we can put over there. Then we mention what is the learning content which will be there on this particular slide, which are special instructions that you will be using with your participant while showcasing this slide. Then if there is any audio script, you will mention it over here. If there's any media that you will be using, like any particular image or any video, all of that will be mentioned over here so that the people can review it completely in and out. Similarly, you will prepare a storyboard screen for all the slides that you will be making. So if you have 50 slides in your content, this sort of screens you'll be preparing 50 so that they know exactly what's going to happen slide by slide, and they can give you the feedback and you can make the changes and updations accordingly. Now what you see in front of you is not a storyboard but a rapid prototype. A lot of people, a lot of trainers, a lot of instructional designers I've seen these days who say that, I don't like to do a storyboard, and I straight away make a rapid prototype which showcases exact look and feel of the slide, the content, the objective, and everything. Because if you have this, then there is no question which is left from the client side. But believe me, to prepare a rapid prototype, again, it utilizes a lot of time, a lot of resources, a lot of money. So my suggestion would be that you do a combination of both. How? So first you prepare a storyboard, okay, and then you make rapid prototypes of just few slides instead of all 50 or 60 slides. For example, you make one which will showcase how your first slide will be. Then you, let's say, prepare another one which will say that this is how your regular slides will be. This is how those slides will be wherein there are pointers. This is how those slides would be wherein there are different images. So that way, in the entire content, instead of preparing prototype of 60 all 60 slides, you have to prepare prototype of just 10, and then you have a supportive storyboard. Doing this will give them a look and feel of the entire content, plus a storyboard will tell them the entire flow of the content. Combination of both will solve all the purposes and will save a lot of time, a lot of resources.
If you like the video, press the bell icon
And subscribe to our channel.
Thank
you.